Hey guys, happy Sunday morning. I call every Sunday Sunday Fun Day because I have a lot of fun on Sunday because we actually work really hard all week. I actually do work 8, 10, 12-hour days 3 or 4 times a week, and then 1 or 2 times a week we work a couple of hours just helping our top high-end paying clients. But I want to tell you something right now, and I'm going to answer a question. Somebody sent me a comment on one of my YouTube videos and said, James, what do you do? Where do you live? I want to live your lifestyle. What the hell are you doing? And I told him I'm making money online 5 different ways. He said, please teach me one way, just one way. And I said, absolutely. So we got on the phone. We spent 2 hours together, no charge. I didn't charge him. I showed him exactly what I'm doing to make my money online. And now he is hiring me and my team, my company, sending me money tomorrow, Monday, $4,000 to set up his whole online internet business selling the #1 product in the world. And I guaranteed him $10,000 in the first 10 days, or he doesn't pay a dime. You want to learn how to make $10,000 in the first 10 days like this guy? Let's do it. I'll show you exactly how to do it in this video step by step. So keep watching. So I'm walking up to the rooftop pool, and we're celebrating Happy Sunday Fun Day here. It is August 9th, 2020. And just so you know, everybody's asking me a lot of questions online. So basically all I do is answer these questions. I tell you exactly what I do, how I do it, where I do it, when I do it, why I do it. And then if you're interested in doing what I do, I will show you how to do it for free at no charge, complimentary. And then if you need my help, I will set up my team. I have 26, 27, 28, 30 very young, highly educated, technologically advanced young people, like the people who run Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google, all these people. And they set up your online business, and they do it literally sometimes in hours or days. Now I'm at the rooftop pool. Gonna take a little swim here. I'm in the Caribbean. So keep watching my videos. Here's what I do. Again, I just answer questions. So somebody said today on a comment on Facebook, said, James, what are you doing? How do I make money online? Or they said, actually, I'm selling a product online, but it's not selling anymore because of the coronavirus, all the bullshit that's going on in the world. Here's my rooftop pool. So I said, you have to change everything you're doing. He said, what do you mean? I said, you have to change everything. He said, what do you mean? I said, just because you're saying, what do you mean, means you don't know exactly what you're doing at all. That's why you're not making any money, because you have to change everything. Everything has changed in the world because of this stupid effed up virus, which I think, my conspiracy theory is, was a total scam. People are making millions because of this virus. Are you? Out like a champ. Oh shit, I think. Yeah, so the bottom line is, right before I take a swim here, but keep watching this video, I have learned how you copied a multimillionaire online who created a system. And it's 3 steps. Watch. We post an ad, people click on the ad, they watch a presentation, and they pay us money. Let me say that one more time. We post an ad, people watch a presentation, and they pay us money. For what? For a product that teaches them how to make money online. And they pay us thousands of dollars to do it. Why? Because we teach them how to make $10,000 in the first 10 days. Got it? You interested? So this is another different way of how this works. If you want to make money online, you don't need a lot of followers. You don't need, people say, hey James, I need a lot of followers. I need a lot of likes. I need a lot of people following me on Facebook and Instagram and YouTube. I need millions of views. No, you don't. So listen to me very carefully. Other people, big people out there, multi-million-dollar YouTubers and people on Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn and Twitter, they have millions of followers. For example, let me give an example. If you go to Twitter right now, Twitter, look up Jeffree Star. Jeffree Star. He makes millions of dollars every year selling his makeup line. Yes, he's gay, but he's a multi-millionaire. He sells his makeup line. He sells makeup and clothing and all kinds of stuff online all over the world. He has millions of followers, millions of subscribers, millions. I'm talking 10, 12, 15, 20 million people listen to this guy on social media. So why don't we sell his stuff and he'll pay us a commission? That's how you make money online, and you don't need a lot of followers, you don't need a lot of likes, and you don't need to build your own product. You sell somebody else's product, which is already selling to millions of people all over the world, and they pay you a commission. How much? I'm going to tell you right now, you can make millions doing this, and that's how millionaires create millionaires, and other people make millionaires out of millionaires. We got a poopy diaper. Look at this. Look at that little baby. But he's got a lot of poop. Let me see the poop.
No, stop.
I'm showing the poop
Ears.
to everybody. The poop means he's doing good. Look at that. That means, oh shit. Hold on. Oh, here, look. Stop.
Stop.
We got good poop. Good poop. You okay? I'm okay, no problema. I got a... Okay, so here's how that works. Taking a little swim here. Let's say you do exactly what I tell you to do, and I can teach you how to do this in 1 hour on one phone call, complimentary, no charge. I teach you how to sell one product from, let's say, Amazon. Now, I spoke about Jeffree Star. I can name many of these people. There's lots of affiliate marketing companies out there. Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, you name it. They're all eBay. Everybody's doing affiliate marketing. Let me say that again. If you are not in the affiliate marketing world online, you're losing tens of thousands of dollars every day, which means loser, you're a loser. I didn't mean that. I'm just saying you need to learn how to do this, otherwise you're a loser. So what we do is this. Okay, we got the husband and the wife and now the children, pigeons, in the Caribbean, in Mexico, on the back patio, eating Pringles potato chips. Look what I left. There they are, look. They're eating Pringles potato chips. Here's how it works. I'm having a little drink here. Sunday Fun Day. It is, I'm time stamping this. I'm actually telling you the exact day and time to show you I'm not full of shit. I'm direct, full of, totally honest, and I'm upfront about exactly how I make money. So the first way is this. Hold on. I'm in Mexico, in the Caribbean, so you gotta have a little tequila on a Sunday. But it's good tequila. It's good tequila. It's the best. It's called Añejo. Añejo. This stuff is actually the #1 thing you could drink. You know, just a little, not a lot. Doctors recommend you drink 2 ounces of tequila. Good, high quality Añejo tequila every day. Really? So back to business. Listen, I sell a product right now from a very famous person online called Jeff Bezos. If you have been living under a rock for the last 6 months during this whole coronavirus, pandemic, quantidemic, whatever you want to call it, bullshit, my conspiracy theory is it's all fucking bullshit. I've never met one person who has the virus. Now, I understand a lot of people have died from it and still they're sick, but not me, not my family. We're good. Why? Because we stay at home and we make money online. Got it? 8 years old. 8 years old. And look at... Nueve, okay, Ojo, nueve. Look at the little baby rabbit. Look at the baby rabbit. See? See the baby rabbit? Oh, look at this little baby rabbit. We're gonna go give him some food, okay? We feed him some carrots. We're gonna go give some food. She's here hanging out at the rooftop pool in the Caribbean in Mexico with this little baby rabbit. Look at that. Oh, look Look at that little rat. Look at his ears. Look. Okay, stay tuned. I will show you how to have. So here's how this works. I sell one product online, which is selling for $1,000. Actually, $997. Now, the person who has this product pays me a 50% commission, which is about $500. I sell about 10 a week. All over the world, online through social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, Google, you name it. I post ads. People click on the ad. They go buy this product like this, but it's $1,000. And it teaches people how to make money online. It's called education. The richest companies in the world are in the education business. Yale, Harvard, MIT. Have you ever heard of these places? If you haven't, that's why you're not rich. The education business in the world is one of the richest businesses in the world. How about this? What if I show you how to learn to play Texas Hold'em poker and you make $1 million a year and then you get paid a 50% commission on that money? What if you just teach people how to make money learning how to play poker, and they pay you a 50% commission on an app that charges $10 a month. You make $5 a month, and you sell it to 1,000 people a month. That's $5,000 a month. Are you getting this? This is how you make money online, baby. Well, when you're walking down the street in Mexico and the Caribbean, that's what you see every day. Look at that little guy. Let's see if he stays still long enough. Oh, there he goes. So back to this product where I make 50% on $1,000. I make $500 every time I sell the product. So I post ads about this product. People go watch a video and they buy it. They get out their credit card and debit card and they buy it. And we sell about 10 a week. 10 times 500, that's 5,000 a week, selling one simple product that I don't even have. Somebody else has it, and I sell it for them, and they pay me a 50% commission guaranteed 2 times a month. So that's about 10,000 a month, and I don't even have the product. I just post ads selling the product. Are you getting this? If not, loser! So we got the baby rabbit in the apartment. He's a baby. He's a baby. He's maybe 2. I think he's maybe 2 or 3 meses. He's a baby. And how old are you? How old? Años.
8, not 9.
She's 9? I think she's lying. She's 8. 8 or 9? I think she's 9 years old. And she's got a little, look at that little baby rabbit. This is what you do in the Caribbean. You hang out with local people here, Mexicans, and you just take care of them, and they take care of you. But we got a little baby. We're gonna give her some food right now, little carrots or something. But keep watching my video. This is what I'm doing. This is my life. Look, I no shirt. I live this life. I work a couple of hours a day. I make money online. I live this life. I live on $700 a month, but I make $70,000 a month. Let me say that again. I live on $700 a month, but I make $70,000. Okay, I'm back. Back to business. Why don't you give me your information below? Say, James, I'm in. I want to learn your system. You sound crazy. I don't know what the hell you're doing, but I want to do it. If you want to learn how to make thousands of dollars through affiliate marketing or teaching people through the online coaching, consulting, and mentoring business, which is my #1 business, I have 380 something clients in 26 countries, English-speaking countries, who have paid me thousands, if not tens of thousands. I have one client who has currently paid me over $150,000 to continuously help them to make money online selling their product all over the world. And they're doing over $1 million a year. That's a huge return on your investment. Add up the numbers.
I wasn't the best because I killed quickly. I was the best because the crowd loved me. Win the crowd, you'll win your freedom. I will win the crowd. I will give them something they've never seen before. So excited.
Win the crowd. Win the crowd. You have to win the crowd, and people will send you money. Thousands of dollars, tens of thousands of dollars, $100,000s. Win the crowd.